think that's frog.
But it looks like it's a hot pot and a barbecue at the same time. We're gonna try crocodile, frog meat. There goes some frog legs. Frog legs and crocodile meat.
45 minutes later, we finished. It's not the most efficient way of cooking. Not a lot of barbecue space, but it's nice. It's really cute.
The crocodile meat was quite interesting. It's very tough, has a fishy taste to it, so it's not really my favorite. I would choose a frog over it any day.
Frog tastes like chicken, just like they say. We are across the street, and we're still shouting at each other. And what a cool setup. There's something a little unusual about this beef dish.
Well, it's just adding a little sprinkles of these little babies on there.
Adding a little extra seasoning. They're ants. Red tree ants.
Red tree ants would be. They're stir fried. So we're gonna try it out. This is what they look like before, and that's what happens in my dish. So let's give this a try, shall we?
Wait,
Right.
the beef is delicious, but the flavor of the ants are really subtle. Let me just get a good amount here to really. See. Tastes kind of sour. A little bit earthy, I guess you might say.
It's actually quite yummy. A little bit of crunch and lemon flavoring. I like it. There's one way of getting a massage.
There's a sign that says, "Please feed our hungry fish your dead skin." Well, this is going to be interesting. What have you got me into now, Ron?
We're getting our feet massaged by the fish. I've never done this before. I'm kind of scared.
All right.
Previous dudes say they're kind of hungry.
1, 2, 3. Wait, I ain't alone. Oh my God! Wait, what about you? Oh, it tickles. Ah.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Put your foot in. I need a little.
Oh. It's gonna tickle it.
That's it, everyone crowd around. Crowd around, don't be shy, crowd around. Oh, I got a lot now. What can you possibly be eating? My feet are pristine, don't you know that?
They're eating my ankle too. Wow, okay, I think you are a little overzealous over there. There's so many fishes on your toes.
They really like me. Hey buddy, you want a bite?
Oh, no, get him down.
Oh, he's okay.
Get him down. A new kind of therapy. Check that out. Nibble, nibble, nibble.